Hello guys, this is my first video, and we will be analyzing Rocket Lab stock using three different patterns and clarifying each of them at the same point and making a conclusion at the end is a bearish or bullish in my opinion. But first, which I need to tell is this content is for educational purpose only and does not constitute financial advice. I'm not a registered financial advisor at all, so trading involves a substantial risk of loss. So conduct your own research. Again, this is not a financial advice. So let's break down the QM formation and identify optimal entry points for equity positions with particular focus on Rocket Lab mechanics for both bullish and bearish cases. So bullish QM setup is the structure requires specific sequential conditions. One, the point 2 must exceed point 1, as you actually here see, and point 3 must retrace below point 1. As I said, point 4 should surpass point 2, which is exactly surpassed. For point 5, confirmations, we project a horizontal resistance level from point 1 and monitor for price interaction with this threshold. Upon contact, we validate entry opportunities for here, let's say. This is the clarification when it touches the level for the first legs level. Also about the bearish case, the inverse structure applies with the reverse directional parameters. As you see, if you want and if you need to understand the bearish case, again, you have to check it out the first level for the confirmation for the fifth leg. So let's go back to the graphic now, which is the Rocket Labs graphic. So first, let's clarify the QM formation in this Rocket Lab stock graphic. So the divergence nobody wants to see. The point 4 surpassed point 2, exactly this, and the point 3 is down below point 1, perfect. And the last thing, point 1, we see that the fifth leg touching the first leg's line. So now drop your eyes to RSI indicator below. As you here see, there's a negative divergence between RSI and the graph itself. So check out the RSI. The first hill is higher than the second hill, which is the fourth point, but the RSI is negative divergence. The graphic goes up, but the RSI decreases at the same time. This is also another confirmation pattern for decrease and the touching 0.5. So we got 2. And now the ABCD pattern. Let me go back to AccelerateDraw and open ABCD. A classical ABCD is from A to B. We put a Fibonacci levels, and we should clarify the C leg is touching A to B's Fibonacci level 61.8 or 72 around, and the D needs to be B to C Fibonacci levels, and the D should be around the 127. That's the first target, and the second target, if whenever the first target is surpasses, we expect the graphic to touch the second target, which is the 161. Let's get back to the graph and check it out. It has completed the ABCD pattern already. Let me delete this real quick. Also this one, and let's hide the RSI also right here. Perfect. ABCD pattern. Let's take our Fibonacci, put it to the B level, and yeah, as we see, 78 around is confirmed. And the second is B to C. It's also confirmed. When we check it out, and D is the top hill, and then we don't see any higher hills or equal hills after D. That's also a confirmation for the fifth leg. So let me take back this old analysis. Perfect. And that's it. My opinion in this graphic is a bullish case for Rocket Lab. Also check out the volume. It's above, close to the average, but it's green right now for negative volumes. Yeah, and that's all. The confirmation says the bearish leg completed, ABCD says pattern complete, and RSI says momentum is dead. Also here, the bear is completed. But again, I'm saying this is not investment advice, only education purpose, so don't rely on my analysis. I only make this for education. So keep yourself safe. Bye.